Hey YouTube, I am getting ready for bed. I'm actually about to go ahead and plan what I want to get done next week, as well as my daily task for tomorrow, which is Monday. So, yeah, guys, we're just vibing out. I'm probably gonna put on my calming music, do my little nightly thing. I'm drinking my tea, y'all. Love this cup. You can't really see, but it's shaped. You can't really see, but it's shaped like an avocado. It's so freaking cute. So yeah, y'all. We're doing a lot all at once. I'm probably gonna actually go ahead and clip this because I wanna talk and I wanna do stuff. So don't mind me while my lips are extremely dry. But yeah, you guys, I'm putting on this little eye mask while I plan my week out because it should only take like 10 to 15 minutes, and that's how long this stays on, so why not? These are supposed to be like really, really good. So yeah, I actually already did my skincare and shower for the night. So I'm literally just chilling out right now and about to get ready for the week. I wanted to say, like, really hope you guys can hear me, but these are the type of videos that I'm gonna be doing more so. I'm not really per se gonna be doing any vlogs right now because honestly just don't feel like it fits with the season that I'm in. Not that like I don't want to bring you guys along or anything like that, but it just, like I said, it just doesn't align with, I cannot get this off. And it's being so difficult. Sorry, guys. But I'm trying to hurry because my tea is getting cold. But I just wanted to be transparent about where I am in my life right now. And I'm just, y'all, I'm not in a space where vlogging fits. And that that is, ooh, excuse me. That doesn't mean that I'm never gonna vlog, but it does mean that like my life right now has seasons. And right now I'm feeling like I want to just use YouTube as a way to talk through what I'm actually going through. Like, I'm not in a season where I want to romanticize, or yeah, I think that's the word, romanticize how I'm living, if that makes sense. Like, I want to talk through what I'm actually going through, and that's building multiple income streams, that's getting the healing I need from, the environment that I've been in recently, and so much other things. But as far as my planning goes, because you guys know I did my Q3 planning on my little board that I have over there, which I'll show you guys in a minute when I like rip off last week's task, and then like I'm gonna be rewriting them. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna look up my weekly goal, and yeah, I actually do want to add some things to my board, because when I was originally making the board, I literally was in a rush and I had to leave. So yeah, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to find. Oh, okay, Girly Pop. I'm back. I got my brain together and we're good. So I'm now about to start planning my next week. Girl, this tea is, first of all, so freaking good. Like, the taste of it. And I promise you, before this video is over, my eyes are gonna be like low and I'm gonna be ready to go to sleep as soon as I end this video, which I am gonna edit it and get it out tonight. I don't care if it's after 12, I'm posting it tonight. But anyways, this tea, y'all, so good. Love it down. I've been drinking it for over a year now. So yeah, if y'all remember from my previous video, blue is for what I want to get done this week, like overall. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna, I have everything on my phone right here. So if I'm looking down, that's what I'm doing. But I'll talk you girls through it. I basically just write weekly tasks, and do a little squiggly like So like that. And this week's theme is build momentum. So I'm just gonna write that really small under that. And my weekly task this week is to complete my project that I'm working on. Complete at least 50% of my project that I'm working on. So I'm gonna write that. My next weekly goal is upload one YouTube video or short a day, every day. Move my body for 30 minutes a day. Complete 3 workouts. So that's really included in the 30 minutes, but I'm just being specific. Complete 2 yoga sessions. And stay consistent with my morning and evening routine. Which I'll know what I mean. But yes, so I have everything wrote out there. And then I take it a step even further and I use these colors for my daily task. So what do I have to do tomorrow, which is Monday? Tomorrow, first things first, morning with God every day. That's a non-negotiable priority. I'm working on my project. And I want to complete at least 2 to 3 pages. Upload a YouTube video or short. 30-minute walk. Or I might do, I've really been interested in calisthenics. I think that's how you say it, calisthenic workouts, because you don't need any equipment. You don't need to be at the gym. I could do it right here in my room. I could do it outside in the garage. I could do it at the park. It doesn't matter. So yeah, drink my water. Like, I like to get really specific with mine, so. And then do my evening routine. Which, yeah. So, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do now. Which, hold on one second, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'm back. I hope. Is it on? Okay, yeah. Yeah, so literally when I was bringing this over here, my last week's task blew off and fell under the bed. So I was going to show me ripping that off and putting the other one on, but suck it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And I don't have nothing for it to stand up right now, but oh. So yeah, I'm just normally put them like literally right up here so I can see it right when I wake up. And then I put my daily tasks right on the day. So tomorrow is Monday, put that right on Monday. And then readjust, you guys. Sorry guys. But yeah. It is so hot. I have to literally turn this fan towards me. That's probably why the damn thing blew off. But yes, I want to make another sticky note for my board. I just don't know what color. Ooh, I could do the light pink for these, which are gonna be, I don't know if you can see, but my daily routes, which is gonna be my habit tracker, and these stay the same every. I'm gonna just do these, and I'm gonna keep these on the board. I'm just gonna use this to write on right now because it's so hard. But my daily routes are wake up at 6 a.m., between 6 and 7 a.m. So I'm just gonna write that. And put another one is time with God, whether it be the morning, whether it be the afternoon. I just want to make sure I'm keeping that connection alive with Him, period. My next one is drinking water because I'm so bad at that. Move my body for at least 30 minutes. Read 10 pages of my book. Journal in bed on time. Which, baby, I journal every day. I don't always do it every night, but I do it every morning. That's non-negotiable for me. And then my last one is bed on time, which we're already past that. It's 12 a.m. and I'm still drinking my tea. I still got all these lights on. As you can see, my soft music is on that I love. I just love to have it for the nighttime. It helps me so much to just wind down. So yeah. Oh. And I'm just gonna put this somewhere on my board because this isn't gonna change. I think I'm gonna put it just like, yeah, right here is fine. And yeah, I have all of my things on here, and I feel so good for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna put this back over. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm back. again. So now what I like to do is, with everything that I put for tomorrow, I then go into my Notion calendar and I write in the timing that I'm doing all of the things that I'm said I'm going to do tomorrow, which is morning routine plus time with God. So that then means from the previous week, I already had it like on there. So I literally just click this and then I go to this and duplicate it and then drag it to whatever day, which I was bad and I didn't really do it for the last couple of days. But baby, I'm back on my shit. Okay. Anyways, so as you can see, morning with God, if you can see it. So then, yeah, I do my tea and quiet time after I do my morning time with God. And then I go ahead and straighten up my bed, straighten up my room, which during my tea and quiet time, I really use that to get a yoga session in for the morning, which I love doing yoga early in the morning. Like, I love doing it like not first thing when I wake up because I like to journal and stuff first. I journal, I read my devotional, and then you guys know I love my journal. It's so cute. Like, it has this like jean thing, and I've just been loving it. But anyways, yeah. After I journal and do my devotional, that's then when I like to do my yoga if I can fit it in for the day. I normally have to be ready to go by 10, like 9:30 at the earliest. So I'll put that for getting dressed, hair, skincare by 8. That way I have from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. to do whatever, to just really set the intentions for the week, set the intentions for my day. And then I get into my work block, which I'm just doing all of this on my phone, as you can see, obviously. And I set that for like 10:30 because that's normally when I always end up working. So I'll work on that, plan my YouTube videos during that time. Sorry guys, I just seen something from last week that just made me upset, but we're not getting in that energy. We're on to a new week. We made it to a new week. So yeah, I got my morning time with God, tea and quiet, make my bed, get dressed, work block at 10:30 to like 2:30. That's normally how long I do my work. I usually go to Starbucks, I go to Mustard Seed. I don't know if you guys know or if you have that where you are, but it's like it's like a Whole Foods but smaller, and they have a literal rooftop cafe that is so cute. I love to go work there, but they don't open till 11. So sometimes I just do something else in the morning and then go work at 11. So like 11 to 2:30. What else do I have to do tomorrow? Post my YouTube video. So within this time frame, I do want to record a video, which I already have on there, so that's perfect. I do want to post by at least 4, so I'll put that on there. Post on YouTube. Make it red for YouTube. What else do I have to do? 30-minute walk. I like to take my dog on a walk in the evening time, so I'll put that for 6. 7. I'm so lame. And I'll put walk with Riley moms. She's looking at me. Her know what a walk means. Her know what time we go on our walk. So yeah. And then I want to start my night routine by 9 and just vibe out for the rest of the night from like 9 to 11, because I really want to start going to bed by 10:30, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, I'll show you guys what my calendar looks like. And if I don't wake up at 6 a.m., I don't beat myself up. I used to, I won't even lie, but I try to just rearrange my day. I still try to get done everything that's on my list that I just showed you guys, but I just adjust the timing and excuse me, I give myself grace. That's the key to staying consistent, is grace. So if I don't wake up at 6 a.m., it's okay. It's not going to ruin the rest of my day. I just know I need to be up by at least 7. Because the contractors working downstairs is pissing me off. Because it's really ignorant to me that they don't care at all, and they literally just make all of this noise early ass crack in the morning. But I'm not even gonna speak on it, because when it's time for me to move, baby, I'm gone. So anyways, y'all, even better. So yeah, I have my morning time with God, some coffee, make bed, straighten up room, get dressed. And as you can see, I have time in between because I don't know what the day holds. So if I have to add something, I know what time I can add it, and so on. Look at my girl. Anyways, but yeah, this is how I transfer. This is how I transfer this to this, to it actually being on my calendar. Post on YouTube, walk with Riley, and then wind down. So yeah, you guys, that was a little like not wind down, not build my week with me, but just how I'm vibing out tonight and spend the rest of my night while I get ready for tomorrow. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna just chill and edit this video, post it tonight, because I don't care that it's after 12. I'm still gonna post it and count it for yesterday and then post another video today. I don't care. I'm staying consistent. I'm giving myself grace. And yeah, but I love you girls. I hope you guys have an amazing night. And until the next one, bye, girl.